Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Woman. Today we are looking at beautiful and trendy stylish hand embroidery designs. Hand embroidery is a wonderful art that allows you to decorate fabric using a needle and thread and our creativity. It is relaxing, enjoyable and a great way to create unique handmade items. Whether you are a beginner or have years to experience, hand embroidery offers endless design possibilities. Let's explore some popular embroidery ideas and learn why so many people love this timeless craft. One of the most popular embroidery designs is floral embroidery. Flowers are beautiful, colorful and easy to customize. You can stitch roses, daisies, sunflowers, tulips or any flower you like. Floral designs look lively on dresses, pillow covers, tablecloths and tote bags. They add a fresh and elegant touch to any fabric. Another favorite design is leaf and vine pattern. These designs are simple but very attractive. Leaves has vines can create a stitch around flowers or used alone to create a natural look. Green threads in different shades make these patterns look even more realistic. Many people also enjoy making butterfly embroidery designs. Butterflies symbolize beauty and transformation. Their colorful wings give you the enhance to use many thread colors and create stitch combinations. Butterfly patterns look wonderful on children's clothing, scarves and wall art. Heart designs are another easy and popular choice. Embroidered hearts are perfect for gifts and special occasions. You can decorate handkerchiefs, cushions and clothing with simple heart patterns. Adding names or sides the heart makes the design even more personal. For those who love nature, bird embroidery designs are a great option. Small birds sitting on branches or flying among flowers create beautiful artwork. These designs can make any embroidery project look charming and lively. Many beginners start with simple geometric patterns. These include lines, circles, triangles and repeating shapes. Geometric embroidery is modern, neat and easy to learn. It is perfect for practicing basic stitches while creating attractive designs. Speaking of stitches, there are several basic embroidery stitches that every beginner should know. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.